If your savings account pays 1% while prices climb 2% or more, your money is quietly shrinking. It's like filling a bucket with a slow leak. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you a simple way many people try to outpace inflation using ETFs, exchange-traded funds. And I'll give you a quick 4-step plan at the end. Stick around for that checklist so you can start today. First, the problem. Savings accounts are safe, but safety has a cost. When inflation runs higher than your interest rate, your purchasing power slips. You don't feel it day to day, but over a year or two, it's the difference between a full grocery cart and one that's missing a few staples. Enter ETFs. Think of an ETF as a fruit basket instead of a single apple. Instead of betting on one stock or one bond, you buy a slice of hundreds, even thousands at once. That variety can smooth out the bumps. Some pieces may bruise, others stay fresh. The whole basket keeps you from relying on a single piece of fruit. There are 4 ETF types to know. Index ETFs track the market's big scoreboards, like the total US stock market. They're simple, transparent, and usually low cost. Bond ETFs hold many bonds at once and can offer steadier income with less drama than stocks. Sector ETFs target one corner of the economy, like technology or finance, but they're spicier, so use them sparingly. And money market ETFs sit near cash. They aim to keep your balance steady while paying a yield tied to very short-term government debt. Now, the trade-offs. Savings accounts are insured up to legal limits and don't fluctuate. ETFs can go down as well as up, and they're not insured. That's why time horizon matters. Money you need soon, your emergency fund or next month's rent, belongs in cash. Money you won't touch for years is a candidate for ETFs. Here's a simple example. Imagine 2 buckets. Bucket 1 is your emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep that in cash or a cash-like option so you can grab it when life throws a curveball. Bucket 2 is your long-term money, the dollars meant for future goals. That's where a blend of stock and bond ETFs can work. More years until you need it? Tilt toward stocks for growth. Fewer years, tilt toward bonds for stability. Costs matter too. With ETFs, small expense ratios compound just like returns. Paying less leaves more in your pocket. That's why broad, low-cost index ETFs are often used as the core. You can think of them as the slow, reliable escalator, not the flashy elevator. Okay, here's your 4-step starter plan. Step 1, set your safety net. Build your emergency fund first. Aim for 3 to 6 months of basic expenses in cash or a money market style option. Step 2, pick your core. Choose one broad stock ETF for growth and one investment-grade bond ETF for ballast. If you're decades from your goal, you might lean more toward the stock ETF. Closer to your goal, lean more toward bonds for stability. Step 3, automate it. Set a monthly transfer. Treat investing like a bill you pay your future self. Automation beats willpower. Step 4, review once or twice a year. Rebalance to your target mix. If stocks ran hot, trim a little and add to bonds. If bonds outpaced, do the reverse. Keep fees low, keep it boring. Let time do the heavy lifting. Just a heads up, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's all for information only. Explore more tips on money and investing at Money Nova's website. Watch to the end? You just did. Now take one small action today. Open the account, set the transfer, and choose your core. Your future self will thank you.